to create a Google Slide gallery. So you can turn in all of your assignments in this Google Slide consistently. So that's going to be our to go place to find any and all of your assignments and also the progress of projects that you're working on. So instead of having several different slides, we're just going to have one place where all your slides will consistently be put in. All right. So I created a fake assignment for this fake student in my class. And the first things first, we're going to go and hit classwork. Virtual art gallery, there is a Google Slide gallery, how to. All right, so you're probably not going to see it in your own Google Classroom, but anytime you have an assignment, remember this is what an assignment icon looks like. This is the process you need to follow. All right, so you click on that assignment. I need to move myself out of here. All right. Um, so you finished your project, you are ready to submit, or this is a work in progress, but today is the due date that you have to show me that you have done some work at home. Either way, this is how you're going to turn in your assignment. So you're in the assignment, you all know, most of you at least know how to go and turn in the assignment. You're going to click on add or create, and it's going to give you a list of options. Are you turning in a file? Are you turning a document? So we are turning in a slide to Google Slide, and it will create a Google Slide right here that has your name and the title of the specific assignment you are working on at this moment. Okay, so we are going to make some changes because this is a forever kind of gallery. So we are going to change it, name of your document, and don't change your name. I'm highlighting the, the name of the assignment and I'm going to call it portfolio. Okay, that is what needs to be called, and you can put 2020 or you can add art portfolio, but maybe we do art portfolio so we know exactly what we're talking about. So you're going to change the name to art portfolio, then you will put on the title your name, and then on the subtitle, again, we are completing what this is all about. So now you have your first slide. If you don't know how to add another slide, you are going to find this plus sign on the left hand corner of your menu. I'm highlighting it right now. All you have to do is click on that plus, and it automatically, see, you have slide number 1, you're onto slide number 2. Not the format we are going to use for creating our slides. So to change the layout of our slide, we're going to go straight up where it says layout. Here is the layout we will be using for the portfolio. Let me move myself around. The reason is you are mostly going to be adding images in here, and all you need in there is the title and the date. All right, so don't forget, you're going to put title of work and the date. Let's say this is self introduction. And since it's not finalized, I'm going to write today's date. All right. So I know that this is a work in progress. All right. So I don't have an image at this point. All I have is a title. In order for you to add your image, you are going to go to the top menu. You are going to click on insert, first option. And in here, it tells you, do you want to upload it from a computer or search the web? The way to do this is to click on camera, and let's wait until the camera comes up. Remember, I have work in progress, so this is what we did the other day. You can take the picture with you on it, or you can try to center this picture in there and click. If it's what you want, you can leave it. If not, I'm not super happy with it. I want to see the quote. So I'm going to take the picture again, and I keep on putting my hand on the quote. So I'm going to retake my picture. Pick that one. It doesn't look very good, but that's okay. And you're going to click insert. Automatically, it inserts the image in there. If you want to crop, you can adjust. So I'm not only going to do that, I want to I can modify the picture a little bit so it feels like it's a more center. Yeah, that looks better. It's okay. And you can enlarge the image. Do not enlarge the image here because that will change the proportion. If you want to make this image larger, make sure you pick one of the corners. That will keep the dimensions proportionate. You can adjust it a little bit. You can center it. This is your opportunity for playing around a little bit with Google Slide if you have never used this before. But this basic image will be sufficient for me to see that you're working on your project. At this point, Google Slide is done. So you are going to close it, but you have yet to turn it in, okay? So the next step is you turn it in. Otherwise, I won't see it. Here we go. I'm turning it in. And Miss Andrea should have this, all right? Here's the important part. You are done. You have created your Google slide. Within the assignment, you have named it according to the specifics of the portfolio, and then you inserted the first image onto the assignment, and finally you clicked on that turn in button. So Miss Andrea, me, will have that assignment now. Next section will be what happens after, so you can consistently turn in assignments in this Google slide. But that's for the next time, okay? I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Good luck. Email me or ask me questions anytime, and I will see you all next class.